Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open the Instagram app on your phone and sign into your account if needed. Go to your profile by tapping your avatar in the lower right corner. Tap Edit Profile to change your bio and add a Threads link or handle. In the bio field, type your Threads username using the @ symbol or paste a full Threads URL. Keep your bio concise and readable so visitors understand your Threads presence quickly. In the bio field, type your Threads username using the @ symbol or paste a full Threads URL. Use a short call to action like follow me on Threads or find me on Threads to encourage clicks. Keep your bio under Instagram's 150-character limit and avoid extra symbols that confuse readers. Check that all characters and punctuation are correct before saving your profile changes to prevent broken links or misspelled handles. Tap Done or Save to apply your bio changes and update your profile immediately. Open the bio on your profile and tap the link or @ handle to verify it works and loads your Threads page. If the link fails, return to Edit Profile and correct any typos or paste a fresh URL. Share your updated profile in stories or DMs to drive followers to your Threads account and mention Threads when appropriate for context.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.